Alright, should be recording. Okay, so this, let me turn on the light for you. I had to redo the video. Something happened on the upload, not me. Okay, so this is the box, TC-1. Minolta. It's a really beautiful box. The engraving there. Gold leafing. This is the original packaging. This is the manual. Everything you need. You know. This also came with it. It's in Japanese. I have no idea what it means. This is the original label. Sorry, not label. Sorry, leash. You'll look over here and you'll see it says TC-1. Minolta. This is the leather case, which is really nice. It's got a magnet. I'm sorry, a button. But it closes. It's in really good condition. And this is the camera here in the box. A little velvet. Alright. So, I'm going to include a battery with it. And the power button's right here. So if I turn that on, there you go. Turn it off. I can keep doing that forever. This is the aperture ring. There's no damage to that lens at all. Look at that aperture ring. Isn't that beautiful design? That bokeh. You have the little light here for the menu. That comes on. See that? And this is all your little dummy buttons. That's hold. And then I'm going to put on lightning for flash. That's the red eye. That's timer set, ISO priority, autofocus manual, aperture priority, hold. You know, it's really nice too if I go back into right here, there's the autofocus button. It's right there. Put that on. You want to look at the back of this. That's a little snapshot. I want you to hear that. Alright, so I'm going to open it. Alright, that's opened. It's completely clean. No damage whatsoever. Had a professional photographer and repairman in New York City look at this. I'm going to close it for you. Hear that? It's your auto rewind. You know. And that's the shutter release. Yep, see? And I just launched the flash. There's the flash again. Yep, everything works. Never had a problem with this camera. It's in classic condition, just like mint, you know. You open it right here, and you'll have no problems seeing the battery. Closes, not a problem. I don't know what else you want to see. I wish you were here to look at it. You'd see that there's nothing wrong. Hear it? There you go. Alright. So I'm also selling a Nikon 35T, Hexar, Contax T2, Contax, another Contax, a bunch of cameras. And I just sold this Yashica T4. So, hopefully that will convince you that, you know, that I'm a good eBay seller, and it's not fraudulent. If you have any other questions, let me know, but I'll pack everything up and you'll see. Hopefully you'll authorize payment and you'll have this sent insured with signature confirmation to your address. There's the box. It's a wonderful camera. Alright, take care.